Now create a solid color adjustment layer with the black color. Select the text tool from the toolbar and with the impact font and white color, type your text. Adjust the size and the position of the text. Now go to the File menu and select Place Embedded. Select your image and place. Now select the Object Selection tool and make a selection of the shoe. Create a layer mask with the selection. Now transform and adjust the image size and position as your liking. Then select text layer and change the color of the text by picking up the color from the shoe. Now duplicate the text layer and drag it on the top. Reduce the fill all the way to 0% and double click on it to open the layer style. Turn on the stroke and set the size to 3 pixels, position outside, and choose the stroke color same as text color. Now double click on the image layer to open the layer style. Then turn on the drop shadow. Adjust the drop shadow structure as I am showing. Now go to the Nike text layer and again double click on it to open the layer style. This time turn on the outer glow and follow the settings. Now select all the 3 layers and group it. And then select the text tool. With the same font and white color, type your text. Let's adjust it according to the Nike text. And then duplicate and move the text holding Ctrl and Alt key together. Select all 3 text layers, right click and convert it into a smart object. Hold Ctrl and T to transform it, right click and select perspective. Now select transform point and drag it like this to make the perspective effect. And then create a layer mask. Now go to the toolbar and select the gradient tool. Choose this basic gradient, select linear gradient type and set the method to linear. And then simply drag the gradient to make this faded effect. Now go to the layers panel and duplicate the group layer. Right click on the group and convert it to a smart object. And then use Ctrl and T to transform the layer. Right click and select flip vertical. and then drag it below. Now right click and select perspective and drag the transform point like this to make a perspective effect. Let's adjust the size and position. And then create a layer mask. Go to the toolbar and select gradient tool, and with the same gradient settings we previously used, make a faded effect like this. Let's create a new layer for the shadow. Go to the toolbar and select brush tool. With the black color, make a shadow like this. Now create a new layer and select rectangle tool. Make a rectangle shape like this. And then write a text. Now let's write the shoe name with the different font and color. Finally, copy the Nike logo from the Google and put it on the top left corner. And there you go, your amazing Nike shoe poster design.